how to recover TikTok account if you don't have access to its recovery email and phone number. Don't worry, it's gonna be so easy. So without further ado, let's start. To recover your TikTok account without email and phone number, you cannot do it here on TikTok app. We need to open any browser. I'm gonna use Google Chrome, but you can use any browser you want. Here in our browser, we need to go to support.tiktok.com. Under the frequently asked questions, we need to choose any of these choices. I'm going to select reset password. Then here, we need to scroll down and click on the dislike icon here. After that, a need more help button will appear. Click on it. Then choose continue with email. We are now contacting TikTok support to help us with our problem. On the topic, select account access/security. Then select login issue and account recovery on the category. After that, you need to enter your TikTok username. On the account information, we need to provide the sign up date. When did you created your TikTok account? On the sign up region, you can enter your city and country. Here, since we don't have access to our recovery email and phone number, we can enter any active email or phone number. On the device used to log in, enter the brand name and model of the phone that was frequently used to log in the TikTok account that we are going to recover. If you have Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter that was linked to your TikTok account, you can put it here. But if you don't have, you can just leave it blank. On the additional information, enter any active email. They will use this email to contact you later. Now, we need to explain to TikTok support what is our problem with our TikTok account. After that, if you have a screenshot of proof of ownership, you can upload it here. But if you don't have, it's okay. You can just leave it blank. Check the two check boxes here. And then click submit. You need to solve the verification. TikTok will contact you through your contact email to finally recover your TikTok account. If you have questions, just comment down below.